Is your iPhone stuck on the emergency SOS screen? Here's how to fix it in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. This usually happens due to accidental button presses, network issues, or a temporary iOS glitch. Let's fix it step by step. Quickly press and release volume up. Quickly press and release volume down. Then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Press and hold the home button and the power button together until the Apple logo appears. Once your phone restarts, open Settings. Tap Emergency SOS. Make sure Auto Call is turned off to prevent accidental activation. Remove the SIM card. Wait a few seconds, then insert it back properly. Poor signal or SIM issues can trigger SOS mode. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset network settings. This won't delete your data. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates to fix system bugs. If SOS mode keeps turning on, check your side button and volume buttons for physical damage or sticking. A phone case pressing the buttons can also cause emergency SOS to activate. And that's it. These steps should fix an iPhone stuck on emergency SOS. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.